Hey, what's up, you jerk? Soapy Fresh here, no longer in the crypto sewer. That's right, we've gone through a rebrand. So, what has happened was when I first created crypto sewer, it started out as kind of like a joke, right? Because cryptocurrencies were kind of seen as the seedy underbelly of the financial world, right? So, I thought being soapy fresh in a crypto sewer was kind of a joke about all the shit coins and things like that. But what I found out was people didn't want to be involved with a project named after a sewer, and that's totally understandable. Maybe they don't have my particular sense of humor. So what I've done is I've gone through a rebrand and I've created this channel. I've changed it to Soapy Fresh. So it's still going to be about cryptocurrency. I may have some other things. I may have some voiceover work on here. I may have some jujitsu stuff on here. I don't know. But for now, we're going to stick to cryptocurrencies. But I just wanted to make an announcement about the official rebrand. And also, I've had some people ask me about Patreon. So you can go to patreon.com/soapyfresh and become a patron and help support me, help support the channel. There's a few different tiers on there. It goes from $5 to like $20 or $25 right now. But the first 10 people to join the $10 tier will get one of these t-shirts just like this with the Soapy Fresh logo on it. So the first 10 people to join the $10 tier at patreon.com/soapyfresh will get one of these t-shirts included with that membership. A few other things that you get. There's going to be a Discord. In the Discord server, there's a special role that will be for patrons only. I think with the top tier, you can get a phone call with me once a month or so. If you have any other ideas for additional benefits for patrons, let me know. I'm new to Patreon. I don't really know what all the perks should be, but I'm totally open to giving whatever content that you guys want. Please, if you would, subscribe. Tell your friends about it. I'm working on the Conceal community rewards bot right now that is so close to being released to the public. So that's going to be coming out pretty soon. I'm going to have some videos on Raven Coin. I have a few more tutorials that I'm working on right now as far as some requests from the community. Conflux was one of them. Cortex was another one, how to mine Cortex. So I'm going to be doing that pretty soon. But once again, if you would please subscribe, tell your friends, and I'll see you soon. Bye.